Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. Mail is crazy this year, okay? Like every year it's crazy around Christmas, but this year it's extra crazy, okay? For today's video, we're going to be jumping into the new influencer capsule from Juvia's Place. First, going to be taking a look at the disco collection in collaboration with Fumi and Juvia's Place. So if you want to see what we can create with the Fumi x Juvia's Place #2, which is called the disco collection, then keep on watching. Juvia's Place has collaborated with Fumi once again to create another collection, and in this collection you get an eyeshadow palette and a lip gloss. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at Fumi's second collection with Juvia's Place. I don't know if these boxes are still available. Hopefully they are, and hopefully this is how they come if you do buy both collections, hopefully. But what I got in the mail was this really beautiful packaging with Fumi in an afro, some big hoops, blue and gold. It's like such a vibe. And on the palette it says the disco party Fumi x Juvia's Place. We should have put #2 next to it so people know that this is not Fumi's first time around on the block, okay? Like, so on the back of the palette box, it says, who doesn't love to get ready for a night out, getting ready, putting your clothes on, doing your makeup, and then you get to the club, you're dancing, celebrate life, have fun. I hope you love this palette as much as I enjoyed creating it. So I went ahead and I swatched it on my hand, and this is what it looks like on my fingers. I absolutely love the shades in here. It looks like we have 2 pressed glitter shades, and we have this beautiful pearlized shade in here, and then there's that beautiful deep blue shade. And I also went ahead and swatched the lip gloss from the top. I'm going into the shade Dance With Me, and Dance With Me is this beautiful deep royal, I want to say royal blue, but it's a deep blue in the palette. I'm going to place it in my crease, and I'm just stamping it in at this point. Remember our eyeshadow 101 video, I'm stamping, and for this one, because there's only one transition shade, I'm just lightly buffing into my crease and also lightly blending up. Remember what I said. Once again, I'm going to refer to that video. Now, if you want to blend out a single shadow like this, you have to lightly, like very feathery. So this is applying pressure. Okay, so this is applying pressure, right? You have to like lightly, like barely touching your skin like this. That's how you blend out the edges of a one shadow. Okay guys, so lightly blending the edges out, and I'm going to very lightly extend the blue into the inner corner. Now, the way this is situated, if I push it in, it will put a lot of pigment on the inner corners of my eye. But because I only want it to have only a little bit of pigment, I'm just very lightly buffing it like that, okay? And that makes it where it only deposits a little bit of pigment to the inner corners of my eye and not like a whole lot, okay? Now for the edges, once again, lightly, very feather lightly blend out the edges like so. I'm just gonna go in and add a little bit more to the outer corner. I'm not pushing in my, I keep saying that because I just want you to understand, I'm not pushing in the brush, I'm just very lightly touching the edges of that so it can blow out without it like going all the way up to my brow, for lack of a better word. Always go in with a very clean brush and use that to blend out the edges of your look. That will blow it out for you beautifully, but I like a little bit more intensity, so I'm gonna go in with the actual brush. I love how intense it is when you like concentrate it, and how beautifully it blows out when you blend it out. I want to go in with that really intense blue shade, so I'm gonna put a little bit of my glitter glue or glitter adhesive on my eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the shade DJ, and I don't even have to dig into DJ. I'm just like rubbing it, and you're gonna see how it's gonna look. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take our first brush that we use. I'm gonna take the first brush we use for a transition shade and the crease shade, the all-in-one shade, and I'm going to deepen the outer parts of the eye, but I'm also going to lightly pat into the shimmer shade or the pearlized shade that we put down. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm taking my lash glue, and this is actually a clear lash glue, and I'm gonna draw it's like a liner, I would say, and I have to hurry up before it dries down. Okay, so I'm gonna add some of the shade Cocktail. I'm gonna put Cocktail directly onto this glue that I put down. I'm trying to move quickly but also be precise. Because I have hooded eyes, I'm so tempted to go over it again with the glue so it can like encapsulate the glitter, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm taking my black liquid liner and I'm gonna go over it so it can like outline it better for me, make it a bit more precise looking. I'm going to take the same brush we used for our first shade. I'm going to blend the edges of this out. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me want to come over. Okay, so this is my finished look using the Fumi X Juvia's Place Part 2, and this is the Disco Collection. It is gorgeous, it is beautiful, it is amazing. Fumi did her thing once again with the palette. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the shades in here. I'm really happy with the results that I got out of it. The lip gloss is bomb.com. It has silver pieces in there. It is a clear, it is beautiful. The way I see it, I feel like it can be used by itself or used as a lip topper. So that's what I went ahead and I did. I actually used the Juvia's Place Nude Series Lippy in the shade Muted. I put that on top of my lined lips, and then I put the Fumi gloss on there. This is called Disco Fever. Yeah, and I put the Fumi gloss in the shade Disco Fever all over that this lip combo. Okay, it was cute. So yeah, this is it for me with the Fumi X Juvia's Place Round 2 collection. Let me know down below in the comments if you've picked this up yet. Very cute. I feel like you can actually slip this like in a bag if you're traveling and you wanted to take this. I think it would be so good. Okay, and the lip gloss is bomb.com. Juicy. So that's it for me with the Juvia's Place X Fumi collection round 2. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have picked any of these up and what you think about it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye.